Alright, we are at Sylvan Lake doing the big jig competition, and this is our setup. We've got foam mats on the floor to build the floor. Holes are pre-drilled through the mat so that our holes are always in the same spot. And we can move the mats around to move the holes if we want to. Jaw jacker. Little bell. Kind of like a mouse trap. They take a bite, it sets the hook. Table, stove, heater, 20-pound propane. These take little ones, the little 1 pound, but I like running the 21 route for a couple days. Fan, circulate the warm air. Running off battery. It's just a boat battery. Got this guy. You can charge things. Run all of our lights, which are LED. Very bright. Another one over there. And camera. That's our jig at the bottom, just off the weeds. Looking for burbot. So has its own battery, but when we're out for a couple days it runs out, so we just run that off the boat battery. Cot for sleeping at night or during the day. We got another one over here too, but I just took it out to make more room for fishing. And flasher. Bump board, which we need for the competition. Couple chairs. That's the monopod for the camera. Camera's down the hole, looking this way. And then we have a remote control, so you can turn the camera back and forth. Let's check the other spot, Liam. Nothing there. So yeah, towel. Drying off your hands from slimy fish. Garmin. Save location. And if we're at spots where there's no cell reception, we can hit the SOS. In case you need it. Walkie-talkies. When we split up. Ooh, do you see something? Little perch. All we need is one good one to win the money. So yeah, that's our setup. Oh yeah, insulated tent. Otter, Monster, Vortex, Lodge. It is 8 feet wide. Each mat's 2 feet. 2, 4, 6, 8. 14 feet long. It's pretty good. Does the job. The wind does not blow it over or collapse it, which is cool. Okay, so yeah, so far got some burbot, some perch, saw whitefish, didn't get it. Haven't seen any walleye. I'm gonna try. I think right now I'm in, I don't know, 5th, 8th. I think I dropped down a little bit. Liam got a couple burbots too. Yep. And it's, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. We got till 9 p.m. tonight. Check it out. See ya.